What is your statement again?
Oh, I said hot tubs are for the last moment, not the first.
That's right, hot tubs are last moment, not first, so I guess we're not going in the hot tub. Man, it is so unbelievably hot out today. It's like 110 degrees. We're getting ready. We're just about ready to leave. We have to put the cooler inside the camper, and that's really about it. We are heading to a little place on Ann Lake near Ogilvie, Minnesota. It's called Woodsong RV Resort. We've never been there before, but it sounds absolutely incredible. It's got a pool, it's got like life-size chests and checkers, hot tub. Sounds like lots of awesome stuff going on there. So we're super excited to be heading out for that. So we'll see you guys there. So far, we are here at Woodsong. Anyways, this campground is pretty darn awesome. Got to put in a code. And it worked. Just about to drive past the front lodge and the pool area. It's got a playground for the kids. It's really a family-oriented campground. They've got, looks like basketball courts, hot tub. It's looking pretty awesome. So we're just gonna get ready to park into place here pretty soon. So here's our camp all set up. The in-laws next to us right there. Brother and sister-in-law over there with their camper. And we're plumb in the middle. Woodsong RV Resort on Ann Lake. Absolutely beautiful little park. I haven't even got to explore it yet. Pool is actually over attached to the back of that building over there. Back over there is the life-size chest, I guess. I got to get back over there and check that out. Not bad, 40 bucks a night on a what they call a holiday weekend. So on the menu tonight, we're gonna have ribs, chicken, potato salad, and coleslaw. So they've got just this awesome setup here, which is really kind of cool.
No, it's this way, Zoe.
No, it's this way to the pool, kiddo. I say hot tubs are first. Sarah, of our first night in here.
It's very nice.
Very cool little area, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I really like it.
I just looked at the wrong part.
Oh, you looked at the screen again?
Yeah.
No, it's very, very cool. The rest of the group seems to be here. They're open 10 a.m. to dusk, I guess, so we'll see what they consider dusk. It's pretty loud out here now, though, so I think we're going to sign off for the night and just have some fun in the pool. So it's morning, day 2 here. Family's all up and eating breakfast, which is good. I got my coffee. Gotta have that. So campground is actually really, really nice. They even have a laundry facility here, but it's, you know, it's a RV park, so you can see some of the more permanent RVs in the background there. But yeah, it's really, really nice. There's not a lot of campgrounds that I would say, you know, we'd come back to more than once in one season. This is one of them that we would.
I thought it was so we could catch a fish. Jake, I think so. I thought it was so we could catch a fish. Nope. That's a net to clean out the pond. And then...
How cool is this? Life-size checkers and chess. This is a great place.